Good morning, property finders. Ako nga pala si Rico Natural, your property finder from Disa Realty. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Vista Rosa at San Francisco, a multi-level 3-story townhouse na nag-offer ng 50 square meter lot area and minimum floor area of 105 square meter. So tara, samahan nyo ako, check natin, i-explore natin yung kung gaano kaganda ang Vista Rosa San Francisco townhouse. For more details, trippings, and reservations, don't hesitate to contact me. Pwede mo akong tawagan, i-text, ito yung contact number ko. Pwede mo rin ako i-message through my Facebook page, Your Property Finder. Again, I am Rico Natural from Disa Realty. Thank you.